The Chiefs were delayed in their departure to head to Denver for their Week 18 game against the Broncos on Saturday. The Kansas City International Airport the Chiefs were set to leave from was closed due to rapid ice accumulation and winter weather that hit the Kansas City area. Tracy Wolfson of CBS reported that the Chiefs were scheduled to arrive at 3 p.m. Mountain Time, but were delayed due to the closure. Brian David Platt, the city manager of Kansas City, Mississippi, posted on his X account that the airport was scheduled to reopen and resume normal operations after just under a 3-hour closure. Pete Sweeney of SB Nation's Arrowhead Pride then reported that he was told the Chiefs were in the air shortly after the airport reopened. Sweeney also indicated the Chiefs planned to leave earlier because of the weather concerns, but their plane arrived at the airport too late. But thank God, because after 4 hours, the Chiefs safely landed in Denver, Colorado.